Yeah. Nope. Perfect.
You ready?
Yep, ready.
You could have a steam train if you just lay down your tracks. You could have an airplane flying if you bring your blue sky back. All you do is call me. I'll be anything you need. Could have a big dipper going up and down all around the bends. You could have a bumper car bumping. This amusement never ends. I wanna be sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? Oh, let me be your sledgehammer. This will be my testimony. Show me round your fruit cage, 'cause I will be your honeybee. Open up your fruit cage, where the fruit every sweet as can be. I wanna be your sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? You better call the sledgehammer.
All right. How was it?
I was gonna die.
I could hear you from down here.
You could?
Yeah.
I was like, pay attention, pay attention, pay attention.
It was pretty chunky.
Oh my gosh.
That's like one of the worst I've seen it.
I was like, I'm never doing this trail ever again. I don't even care about riding like this ever. I was like, don't break here, okay? Okay, so break, let go.
That's amazing you can ride that.
Yeah, it's crazy. That was loose. That was so chunky. That was the chunkiest.
Yep, that was so bad. Chunky and loose and dusty. Even after the drops, it's all like ready. You're banging after the rock drops.
Yeah, and there was a little more droppy stuff, I thought. I don't know, they look different. So I just rolled over them like I know I can do.
I knew you could do it.
I thought, where is he? Doesn't he think I'm dead by now? Does he really think I can ride this? It's not for me. It confirms. No, thank you.
Oops. Sorry. One more coming. That'll wreck your wheels. One more car. Okay, clear. Well, that's different there already. This part here was always kind of wide.
Yeah.
But then it would get narrow here.
Oh, yeah.
So look at, they cut all this down.
Oh.
This they widened up.
Me or you?
I don't know, I picked up a new squeak. This is totally different here. You can see to the right much clearer. I think there was a line of brush there before. Now it's
Yeah.
open.
Oh yeah. Good. These are great views. Beautiful.
Yeah, it's all wide open. Well, that was totally different. This is just a fire road now. Wonder how these rock walls here are gonna erode. Look at these vertical walls they had to cut. Already it's breaking down there a little.
Oh.
Wow. How did they even do that? That's a lot of vertical rock. This got all smoothed out. Remember that was a little rock garden there? Look at this right here. Could you imagine? Not only is fighting the fire dangerous and crazy enough, but someone's got to drive a huge fire truck on this road that was just carved out. That's got to be scary.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at all this stuff coming down.
I know that worries me on a windy day. On a rainy, stormy day.
Oh yeah, after it rains, get a little earthquake.
Yeah. Oh, you're right.
Oh, this is where the pipes used to be.
Oh, really?
Yeah, remember that sign?
Oh.
Hi.
Hey, how are you?
Good. I think, man, it's hard to tell. But those pipes were around. I think that was it.
There, a little further, I think.
No, remember you go through the rock garden, you climb up and you make a right turn and there was the pipes. Just like we did there.
Far already. Barely road.
And then after the pipes, you got a little downhill run right here. Remember? Yeah. This was FU Hill.
Really?
Yep. On your left. Yeah, they can't change it because here's the turn where it ended.
like Black Star.
Feels like I'm on Black Star. Yep. And this is where the second downhill was. Wow, just totally changed the trail. It feels like a not as steep Black Star. I don't remember that post. Hi. I think it's still coming up here. And then we got to make a pretty sharp left turn, and that's where that lookout used to be.
Well, right is the lookout.
I can't imagine them doing this road in the panic of a fire. That's crazy.
I know. Like the tractors,
Yeah.
big, that's a long road. Work on.
Yep. Just seems weird. You've known this trail for 10 years a certain way, and then boom, totally different.
The last one I thought was changed.
I know.
Like, this was the lookout.
Oh, this was the lookout here. Yep.
Yeah.
And then this was a fun little mogully climb
The
here.
harder up.
Yeah.
Or it was like.
It was
on
like
the little-
moguls.
The edges.
Yeah.
You had to go on the little moguls.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good though. It wasn't too steep.
No, it was perfect. It was fun.
It was like just a little pay attention there.
I wonder how well it's going to be maintained now. With all those rock slides, are they going to clean those up? And then when it starts raining, this thing's going to be full of ruts, and where the water collects and runs off, it's going to dig deep grooves. Like right here.
That'll be wet.
It's It's already starting here from the last time it rained. Yeah. It'll be interesting. And this used to be a fun little run up here through the trees. Remember? See, like, how do you carve into this rock really quickly? Look at that. Yeah.
That's scary.
Look, all the way up here. Look at that rock wall. And then this used to be a little resting spot on the top here. And then the downhill started.
Yep.
Downhill to the flag.
Uh-huh.
It's still downhill, but it used to be all single track. Well, that's different. Hi. Hello. Yeah. One more. Have fun, guys. That's it. Hi, there's quite a few behind us. It's a little worse than normal. Oh, interesting. So this part's pretty much the same.
That was hard. It's loose, huh?
That was really loose.
Maybe that's why
I don't like that. But the luge looks okay.
We'll find out.
Yeah, I got shuffled just a little bit. Now I work back under Chris. Chris is off.
You ready?